Do you have problems with Microsoft Outlook? Are you an employer somewhere and you work with emails all the time and Outlook is so slow for you? I have these two little tips that will make your life easier. Even if you don't know anything about computers and technology or anything like that, software, these two tips will help you so much in your daily job. Please watch the rest of this video. It will be so short and it will help you so much. Okay, so what you need to do is press Ctrl Shift Escape to open up the task manager. When you do this, then you will need to find Outlook in the processes. So let's try to find where Outlook is. So here it is. Outlook is here. What you need to do is you have to right click on Microsoft Outlook, okay? Then you need to go to details. Go to details. When you do that, then this will open up and then the Outlook process will be selected. So all you need to do is right click and set priority to high. So when you do this, the computer will high prioritize Microsoft Outlook and it will be so much faster. But each time you do this, then when you restart your computer or laptop, you need to do this again, but it will make it faster, I promise. So then we need to do another step, that is to change the power options. So what we can write here in the start menu is we can, or if we want, we can write let's say control panel. Open control panel app, then on the search just type power, then power options. Okay, so now here you will select high performance. If you do this, then the computer will be faster. So I also have another option called ultimate performance. If you want to do this extra step, then I have in the description a code that you can try out. So what you need to do is right click on the start menu and select Windows PowerShell admin. Then you need to just paste this code right here, press enter, and then you will see that ultimate performance is enabled. If you have Windows 10, you can do this. Now, if we go back to the choose your power plan, then ultimate performance will pop up and just check that one. This will be done once, but the other thing, the high priority of Outlook service, that one you need to do it each time you restart your computer. So that was the very quick video for you guys that are struggling with Outlook. You are working somewhere with emails, stuff like that, and you want Outlook to perform better. Thank you again. Please like the video and subscribe if you want more quick tips like this, and I'm out. Thank you for watching.